Hello, it's Rebecca with Miss Kate. I'm doing the Love Basketball Kit. I'm excited to put this kit together. I've got my photos here of my boys when they were little and they were playing basketball. So fun to see their little personalities. They're both making their silly faces. My son was so obsessed with basketball, especially the Cleveland Cavaliers, because that's where we were living at the time. We truly, truly do love basketball. I'm gonna punch out these die cuts. The main Love Basketball die cut here. The basketballs are so cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna look through these sports die cuts here, and there's some more basketball things I'm gonna pull out because these are so cute. I love this Hoop It Up. I have to add that one. This line of basketballs. So here it is. I've got my Love Basketball page kit all put together for my boys. They are gonna be so excited and look back and remember those days of basketball in the living room.
Come and join our monthly page kit club. All page kits are $5. For every 10 kits you buy, you get a free page kit. There are over 30 page kits to choose from every month, and we'll ship it out to you for free. If you want your page kits shipped out before you've reached the 10 mark that gives you the free shipping, just email us at misskatecutables@gmail.com. We'll just invoice you for the shipping. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoy our page kits.